Hi, and welcome to Cursive Writing for Lefties. Today we're going to do cursive letter K, capital and lowercase. Now remember, with left-handed students, we have to tilt our paper so that we can position our hands properly on the paper and be able to make our letters easier. Now, our index finger is where the pencil rests on. Your pointer finger also rests on the pencil, and so does your thumb. Those three fingers help to guide the pencil and stabilize the pencil so that you can write better letters. Okay? Now, what I want to do is start off with my paper straight so that you can see how these letters are supposed to be made. Those are my angled lines to remind me to angle my writing. Okay, so at the top of the blue line, we want to make our teardrop and our half of a heart. The letter that we started off like that with was cursive letter H. So K and H are very similar in how you make them. So then you go back up to the solid blue line, you come down at an angle, and you want to make a teardrop that touches that half heart at the blue dotted line. Then you curve around to your red line, curve up and make your tail. That's cursive capital K. We're going to do it again. Start at the top of the blue line with your teardrop and your half of a heart. Go back up to the blue line a little bit away from your half of a heart. Angle down. At the blue dotted line, you want to touch that half of a heart and make a loop. Then you want to curve back down to your red line and make your tail. Teardrop and half of a heart. Angle down, loop, curve, make your tail. Teardrop, half of a heart. Angle down, loop, curve out, tail. Okay, so you can go on ahead if you would like and stop the video and practice making these letters on your own. Okay, so now we are going to make our lowercase cursive K's. Lowercase starts at the bottom red line, and you want to curve at a slant. You want to go up at a slant to the top blue line, loop, come down all the way to the back to the red line. And then you want to trace that line up, curve out at the dotted blue line, go back to that line and connect, and then come down to the red line and make your tail. Start at the red line, slant up, go all the way up to the top blue line, loop, cross at that middle dotted line, go all the way down to the red line, trace back up to the dotted blue line, curve out at the dotted blue line, make a loop, touch that line, and then you bring it out and down and curve out to make your tail. The more you do it, the better you get. Alright, go ahead and try some of these if you have, or if you know the strokes. If you know all the steps to making your lowercase cursive K's, go ahead and try it on your own. Okay, so today we went over cursive capital K. And cursive lowercase k. All right. Practice your other letters. How's your H's? The H's look similar to the K's. Oops. The difference between the lowercase k and the lowercase h is that the lowercase h has a hump and the lowercase k has a loop. See? But they're made basically the same way. Just like capital K is very similar to capital H. Just something to think about as you're practicing your letters. Okay? So keep practicing those K's, and I'll see you the next video. Bye.